Beyshekiev, two-time age group world champion. Winning in 2021 at the U17 level in Budapest and 2024 at the U23s. In Tirana.
Blue open, no singlet.
So, Shimizu, 26 years old. Well, Beyshekiev just 21.
Red, blue, head up, chest to chest, okay?
We can expect some fireworks between these two great nations.
Open,
both of them are looking to get that first quarter opportunity. I've seen both of these wrestlers do reverse lift. Let's see who's the better one of them.
Contact, blue, давай. Давай, blue, contact, blue.
Nearing that halfway point in a scoreless match, we're going to see the passivity, and there it is. Shimizu hit for passive, 1 point for Beyshekiev.
Correct position.
We go parterre.
Shimizu has to be careful here. I think he's well aware of his opponent's abilities from the reverse lift here. So what he has to do is to be quick and try to stand up.
After visa, contact.
He wants to center his head between his opponent's legs.
Blue open. Blue open.
Throws it through for two, still maintains the lock.
Action red.
Plants Shimizu on his face.
Open blue. Red action. Action red.
Oh, lifts, turns, plants, two more.
What is going on?
Action red, double. Open blue. Red.
Does he get exposure here? Does not look like it. White paddled.
What a sequence.
Red up.
He's just turning upside down in the air.
Why throw it through and you can just plant it back down for four?
Red. Red. Red center.
That's quizzical and rhetorical at the same time. 7-0 on the restart.
It looked like in the second part of that sequence, like it was a leg foul by blue, but I'm not sure. I need to see that again.
No finger, open. Red open.
Kyrgyzstan currently a point away from a fourth Asian championship on the week.
Corner.
And we go to the break, 7-0 lead for Beyshekiev.
Red, blue center. Center red.
So two previous times, Kyrgyzstan has had 3 Asian champions in Greco-Roman in a single year. They've never had 4. So they are on the cusp of history here.
No finger.
Well, we've seen that the Kyrgyz wrestling program has developed a lot lately. They're really taking medals. every time and at every big championship. It's very impressive to see their progress.
Well, how much of an impact does a guy like, Akjol Makhmudov's performances coming through kind of inspire the rest of the team? When you have somebody in the program that's successful, how does that carry over to the other wrestlers?
I mean, I don't think it only carries over to the other wrestlers, but to other generations looking up to a role model like that. Akjol, what a champion.
Point for Shimizu on the passivity.
He has a lot to catch up. He has a big mission in front of him right now, Shimizu. He goes for that reverse lift too. Let's see who's the better of them. Wow.
And it looked like Shimizu just kind of got hung up there. Couldn't really.
We're talking world-class defense there by Bishkekev.
Well, we've got a blue challenge. Coach kind of gesturing that he clamped down over there.
This is very hard.
See, on the review here, you're the expert here. Your hands are out, you're not moving your arms. If the other guy's foot is up in your armpit, that's not on you, that's on him, right?
Exactly, that's on him and not on you, as you say. But then again, as long as you are not like forcing your opponent anyhow with your arms or anything else against his legs, you should be fine.
Yeah, because what is it, establishing position?
There is normal defense by red, no defensive leg fold. No points, the challenge is lost.
Blue here.
The lost challenge makes it 8-1. 149 to go here in our gold medal final at 67 kilos. Now back in a position where Beshekiev is a point away from ending it.
Bishkekev is doing a great job controlling his opponent's wrist. He's not taking any chances at all. He does not want to extend his arms at all. Just keep his elbows to his body. Not opening it up for any potential clinch situations at all.
Open finger. Open finger.
Bishkekev is not moving. He's still controlling the center of the mat. What we're witnessing here might be the future of Kyrgyz wrestling.
Red open.
Yeah, 21 years old.
Open red. Red open.
Bishkekev is not budging.
Red, attention. Okay, no blood. Open red. Center. That's all.
And Shimizu going to drive action to the edge. Going to get two called for, one from the judge and one from the chair. So one for the step out. Once again, two of the three officials have to agree on the call for it to go up on the board. The official, the judge, and the mat chairman. .30 to go, 8-2 lead for Beshekiev.
No black, red open. Action blue.